Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Fedora 25 and ensuring you can run privileged commands. Once you have a terminal open, check OS info and confirm sudo works. Install essential tools so you can probe displays, Maceutils for GL diagnostics and xrandr for configuration manipulation. Run those installs now. After that, execute xrandr without arguments to list connected outputs and modes. This first step gives you the device names and available resolutions you will use for the next configuration steps. Once you see the outputs, map names like HDMI 1 or EDP1 to physical ports. You can apply a mode immediately. For example, set 1920x1080 at 60 Hz with xrandr output, HDMI 1 mode 1920x1080 rate 60. If a desired mode is absent, create it. Run CVT to generate a model line, add it with xrandr new mode, and link it with add mode. Make sure to use sudo when system policies require it. After changing modes, verify with xrandr and visually confirm. To keep settings after reboot, write a small zorg. Conf. Desnippet or create a systemd user service that runs your xrandr commands at login. If you're on Wayland, apply settings through the desktop display panel or GPU vendor utilities since xrandr may not control Wayland. If something fails, inspect /var/log/zorg. 0. Log and dmesc for driver or edit errors. Make sure kernel modules for your GPU are loaded. If display modes still misbehave, try different cables or test the monitor on another machine to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.